let me introduce you to a multifunctional angle ruler.
This is ANENG's multifunctional angle ruler. The core is the two-in-one design of ruler and protractor, balancing practicality and convenience. It comes with dual scales of 0 to 200 millimeters in both public and English. Can be used directly as a ruler. Daily quantity, length, marking, and positioning are very convenient. No need to bring additional ruler tools. Angle aspect measurement. Support 0 to 360-degree all-round measurement. Both internal and external angles can be directly measured. High-definition digital display real-time reading. Avoid reading errors. Accurate and intuitive. Its 0-1-click reset function can be used for calibration or measure relative angles and default measurement state. The ruler displays the current angle, absolute angle relative to the 0-degree reference. And after pressing 0-1 key reset, we'll set the current fitting angle as the new 0 point. Rotate the ruler again to measure another one. What is displayed at this moment is the relative angle difference between the two. No need to manually calculate the difference. The splicing angle of two boards. You don't need to measure to absolute angles first and then subtract them. One-click reset can directly read the relative angles, greatly improved efficiency, more precise. Apart from the 0 reset button, there is also the hold data holding key. After measuring the value, lock it with one click. Even if you move the ruler, the values will not change either. Convenient for recording data. Don't keep staring at the screen. Power on-off aspect. Not only does it have an independent power on-off button, idle for 5 minutes will automatically shut down. Effective power saving and extended battery life. And in the shutdown state, just open the ruler, rotate the ruler body. It will automatically turn on. No need to. The angle of the wooden board is incorrect. Can't install it. Measure with an angle ruler. What is the angle? Measure it immediately. Draw a line based on this angle. Cut along this red line. Use a saw to cut off this piece. You can install it now. The middle shaft is equipped with a locking knob. When loosening the knob, unrestricted angle adjustment is possible. After adjusting the required angle, tighten the knob. Can fix the angle. When measuring the angle normally, tighten the knob. You can directly use it as a template to draw lines. Will not deviate. Ensure precise lines. Built-in lithium battery. Use Type-C charging interface. Daily use of mobile phone charger can directly charge. The fully charged red light goes out. The bottom of the ruler is flat without any protrusions. Can closely adhere during measurement. Reduce measurement errors. Comes with suspension holes. Hang it up after use without taking up space. The material used for this angle ruler. There are no sharp edges like steel rulers. Daily use scratches on the skin will not cause pain or cut. When decorating and tiling, used to measure whether the internal and external corners of the wall are square.